Hi, I'm going to show you in 3 steps how to set up a link to sell a session, workshop, lesson, or one-on-one meeting with a client or fan directly from your Onescreener page. Step 1. From your editor, go to your page settings and click on the Stripe onboarding button in the shop section. Stripe will securely handle all the payments in your Onescreener. Enter your email address and a password for your Stripe account. Then put in your phone number so that you can receive a code via text. Enter the code and your account is secured. Now enter some details about your business, whether that's from home, your bedroom, or another location. Enter the country, the address, the postal code, the city, and which type of business it is. They give you some options to choose from. Next, add your personal details, just your name, your email address, your date of birth, and your phone number. And now we're getting closer with the business details. Enter your VAT number or tax number, the industry, the business website, and a product description. This could be your t-shirts made out of cotton or a digital download for an album or song. These details help Stripe to process your application and make it more precise. Now enter your banking information so that Stripe can transfer any of your earnings from your Stripe account into your bank account. Select your currency, the country of your account, your name, and your IBAN number, routing number, or transit number depending on which country you're in. Then just add a few customer support details. Now review all of the information that you've provided and hit Done. This takes you back to your Onescreener profile, and if you scroll down, you can see that your application for your Stripe account is pending. Refresh your browser, and then you'll see that you need to provide a document. This is identification to ensure that your bank account and business details are secure. You can take a picture with your phone, your webcam, or upload a file. Then provide proof of address. Review the information that you've provided and hit Done. Step 2. To add a Sell a Session link to your page, go to Content, add a teaser link, and click on Sell a Session. Then add the name of the session. Maybe it's a painting lesson, a workshop, or a meet and greet with a fan. Upload a photo and set the price. Next, add a session description. This could be a basic outline of the service that you're going to offer, and you can format it to make it stand out. Then add the session length, whether it's 30 minutes, an hour, or 3 hours. Next, the booking method, whether you want to arrange a time by email or with Calendly. If so, add your Calendly token. Then leave a thank you message for your customer. And hit Save when you're done. The session link will automatically appear on your Onescreener page. Step 3. Set the payout from your Stripe account to your bank account. From your editor, go to your page settings and click on Go to your Stripe account. This is where you can see your balance and adjust how frequently your payouts go into your bank account from your Stripe account. You can also see information about your customers in your Reports overview.